How to fix unable to preview video in YouTube Shorts. If you are facing the unable to preview video issue while uploading YouTube Shorts, it might be due to an unsupported format or codec. Now, converting your video to MP4 can help fix this issue. First of all, go to preferred web browser and in the search address bar type down to the convert to MP4 and hit enter. Now, Google will recommend you many MP4 converters. Simply tap on the first cloud convert option available there. Now, simply tap on the select files and select a video you want to convert. Once done so, tap on the done. Tap on the convert option available there and you will get to see options available on your screen. From there, simply tap on the MP4 and start converting. Now wait for a few moments for process to complete. And once done so, you can preview the processed video on your screen. It might take few moments to do that. After done so, the video will be available on your screen and you can simply download it using tapping the download option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can upload it to your YouTube Shorts without any problem. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.